Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. So the market gives us a clear signal here, and you can see how relevant sometimes those trend lines are, because there is obviously still at the moment the short-term upside potential in a blue wave C, which we talked about in the previous video. And for everybody who's new here on the channel, the idea is that we are in a downtrend, yeah, still in a correction, because the movement to the upside at the moment is only of corrective nature. It does not look impulsive. We had only 3 waves to the upside here, and it is not impulsive price action. Yeah, it just doesn't show enough, let's say, bullish behavior to assume that we have already bottomed here in this wave 2, which is down here currently located. Yeah, therefore my primary expectation is that we're heading down here in a 5-wave structure in a C wave of 2, and the C wave is an ending diagonal. A wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, 4, 5, and each of these subwaves consists of 3 waves, and therefore A, B, C. And we talked about it in the previous video that this B wave could technically already be finished, but it would be very, very shallow, and therefore as long as we're staying above the 83 cent level, and to be honest, it's rather the 80 cent level, not 83, but 83, below that level, a move down, a direct move down will get more likely. But we can consider the higher B wave possible, and we can consider that the primary wave count actually as long as we're holding the 80 cent level. Why is that? Because the 80 cent level is the 78.6% retracement. It would be already a lower than ideal retracement for such a B wave, but it's possible. So we can still maintain the blue count here, ABC, as long as we're holding above 80 cents. And it seems like we might get a deeper wave B before we move up in C. Yeah, the reason is the rather strong move down here in this engulfing red candle that we just see. You can obviously see as well that we failed to break above the descending trend line, and if I'm not mistaken, I mentioned in the previous video, as soon as we break above this trend line, we can consider the C wave going, yeah, ongoing, or at least it would be the first signal. But the market obviously decided to go down, which means we most likely get here a deeper wave B pullback, which is not a problem because the B wave target, the ideal target area, goes down all the way to 83 cents, or let's say 83.5, and we could still come down to 80 cents if the market chooses it. And how is this wave B subdividing? Well, again, we are doing micro counting here, so the reliability of this is limited, but I would consider this an A wave, a B wave, and now a C wave. And it could very well be that we've done here a wave 1, here a wave 2, this might be a 3, a 4, and a 5 down into this area. And to get a rough idea about a target for the C wave, we can take the length of the A wave, go higher to the B wave high, and yeah, it would take us to the ideal target would be the 1-to-1 ratio. That would be here at 85.5 cents. So let's see if we actually get there. This has become now likely due to the break of the ascending trend line here. Yeah, obviously it's a 4-hour candle. The 4-hour candle, or the 4-hour, is not closed yet, but you can see we already closed and now a 1-hour candle below this level. So it's currently looking like we are in this 3rd wave down. I mean, I can put the subwaves onto the chart, but please treat them as quite fragile. 3, 4, 5 into the 85 cent area. That's how I can imagine this could ideally play out in an ideal world, and then we find deeper wave B support here, and ideally we stay above 83.5 cents, maybe above 80, and as long as that's the case, we can move higher in a C wave. Yeah, target here is around the $1 to $1.05 mark. If we drop below 80 cents, then we have a direct sell-off scenario and follow the primary trend down without realizing short-term upside potential. Yeah, okay, and that's my update about Polygon MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.